Mike Chiruka from the Law Offices of Mike Chiruka. We're located in the Harrisburg area in Pennsylvania. And this afternoon, we're going to talk about the estate tax updates after what has happened at the end of the year with the fiscal cliff, and now with sequestration coming up at the end of this week. Try to give people a feel for what has happened with the tax, what we can feel going forward, and what techniques Congress has left us to work with as they're going through this budget crisis. At the end of the year, if you recall, we were facing a chance that the estate tax exemption amount would be reduced from $5 million to $1 million, and that the estate tax rate would go up fairly dramatically. Congress, one of the few times they've compromised in the recent future, they did come back and they preserved the $5 million exemption per person, and they actually increased that a little bit to allow for inflation. They also compromised on the top federal estate tax rate and reduced that from what they expected to be 50% to 45%. Where does that leave us now? A lot of people who were planning on making gifts at the end of the year did that, and that was still a good strategy to follow through. Some people at the end of the year kind of hung back and decided, what am I going to do? Let's see what Congress does first. And now we have that answer, at least with the exemption amount and the tax rates. What we're still not sure is that we still have a great deficit to fill, and Congress is talking about taking away some of the techniques that we've used for years for estate taxes, using minority discounts when valuing family businesses, family limited partnership, a GRAT, which is a grantor retained annuity trust. They're talking about limiting the use of that as a technique. They're talking about taking away some other types of trusts where we're using minority discounting combined with the trust technique. All of these appear in the President's Green Book proposals for the budget, so there's a pretty good chance that some of these may be taken away at some time during the year. So if you were one of those that didn't act at the end of the year and were hanging back to see what would happen, Congress gave you a break. They decided you still have a chance to take advantage of the high exemption amounts, the ability to make federal non-taxable gifts. However, that window may be closing. So you really should, at this time, meet with your attorney, meet with your other advisors, your accountant, your financial planner, risk managers. Take a look at your overall estate plan, and if you're in that bracket where you're not quite sure whether you're going to be taxable or not, or if you're young and you're still accumulating a lot of wealth, you probably still want to take a look at these techniques right now and try to take advantage of them before Congress, if you will, pulls the rug out from underneath us and takes away some tried and true techniques for reducing your federal estate tax. If you have any questions regarding this, or if you're looking for an opportunity to take advantages of some of these opportunities, please feel free to give us a call. Our area code is 717-232-4701, or stop at our website, www.chirucalaw.com, and fill out the contact form and get in touch with us. Thank you.